To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF5206 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing cover. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.